Welcome back to Car Space, your home for everything on wheels. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting reveals for the upcoming year, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Toyota has been in the RV game before, but this new generation model brings a fresh design, better performance, and a surprising amount of comfort to the table. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Car Space, hit that notification bell, and share this video with fellow car and RV lovers so you never miss out on our reviews and updates. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome looks sleek, modern, and more aerodynamic compared to older boxy designs. Toyota has blended SUV styling cues with motorhome practicality, giving it a bold presence on the road. The front fascia carries Toyota's latest design language, with a wide grille and slim LED headlights that stretch toward the sides. It has a high riding stance, sculpted body lines, and integrated side skirts that make it appear more like a luxury crossover than a traditional RV. The motorhome comes equipped with large panoramic windows along the side, which not only enhance its styling but also ensure great visibility inside. Toyota has also introduced lightweight composite panels, making the body strong yet efficient, improving both fuel economy and handling. Around the back, you'll find a clean design with wraparound taillights, an integrated roof spoiler, and a rear ladder for easy roof access. Performance is where the 2026 Toyota Motorhome surprises most people. Under the hood, Toyota has paired a hybrid V6 engine with an electric motor, producing impressive torque for highway cruising and uphill climbs. The hybrid setup means better fuel efficiency compared to traditional RVs, allowing owners to travel further without stopping for fuel as often. Toyota claims this motorhome can achieve nearly 25 miles per gallon, which is remarkable for a vehicle of this size. The ride quality is smooth thanks to a new adaptive suspension system that adjusts to road conditions, giving you a stable and confident driving experience whether you're on the highway or tackling mountain roads. The steering feels lighter than you'd expect, making it more approachable even for drivers new to RVs. And with the available all-wheel drive system, this motorhome isn't afraid to venture off the beaten path. Toyota has designed it with adventurers in mind, making it equally suited for long cross-country trips or weekend getaways. Inside, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome offers a comfortable and functional layout. While we won't do a deep dive today, it's worth noting the highlights. The interior combines high-quality materials with practical design. You get a spacious living area with configurable seating, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen, and a sleeping area that feels more like a boutique hotel than a camper. Toyota has also loaded the cabin with technology, including a large infotainment display with wireless connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, and smart storage solutions throughout. Natural light floods in through the panoramic windows, making the space feel open and inviting even when parked in tight spots. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome shows that Toyota isn't just building another recreational vehicle, they're reinventing what a modern RV should be. With a stylish exterior, efficient yet powerful performance, and a thoughtfully designed interior, it stands out in a crowded market. That's all for today's review here on Car Space. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and everything automotive, right here on Car Space.